Now here guys, Jandel has a new event. Here guys, we got Jandel in the up the skies like just sitting or is going to bed. Jandel is going to bed because his mom's here. What is the new? Jandel said the new. He will add a new event. Jandel said it. Oh, Jandel goes down. And everyone said, look here in the comments. This trading system. I don't know what is the new event here, guys. We got the Queen Bee and Jandel was so kind that the you see the timer of the honey compresses. I don't know that. It's like 30 seconds. And the update is in 1 hour and 41 minutes. Now I had a timer here, the timer, but I can't see it. It's okay. Gentle said the update is 1 hour and 40 minutes. I will chat Gentle that he will get a new update. What? Thank you. No, but I'm not sure it's the time. Yes, Jandel.